See. Hi friends, welcome to Don't once again. तो today मैं आपको एक Apple phone अपडेट के बाद एक नया फीचर आया है, that is backtap. That means the back of the phone of your iPhone also works. There are some features, backtap features you can enable. आप कुछ backtap features भी अब यूज कर सकते हैं, मतलब कि आपके फोन का जो बैक है उस पर 1 टैप या 2 टैप करने से काफी फीचर्स आईफोन में ऑन होते हैं एंड इट इज वेरी कन्वीनियंट एंड वेरी जब आप फास्ट हैं तो आपको स्क्रीनशॉट लेना है, बस 2 बार टैप किया स्क्रीनशॉट आपके सामने. तो वो कैसे एनेबल करना है, हाउ टू एनेबल दैट आई विल टेल यू एंड इट इज वेरी गुड बैक टैप फीचर इन अवेलेबल इन आईफोन. लेट्स मूव ऑन. एंड अगर आप नए चैनल पर प्लीज सब्सक्राइब, हिट लाइक एंड डू शेयर. इस चैनल में हम लेकर आते हैं ड्रोन से रिलेटेड टेक जो मैं यूज करता हूँ. सो let's do it. So I am going to give you the demo of my iPhone. I have already enabled double tap and triple tap. So you see, when I do double tap, see what happens in my screen, on my screen. See, Siri's get activated. So I have enabled double tap feature for the Siri. And when I do triple tap 3 times on the back of my screen, I will get screenshot. See. Here we got it, right? Now you hear the sound. I'll show you how I am doing it. See. So in this way you can have very convenient features, or what are available. I'll let you know how to on this feature. Just go to settings and then go to accessibility. Go to touch and here is the last back tap. So I have kept it on, otherwise it is off. Just on it, and here see I have kept for the double tap I am enabling Siri, and there are number of features like app switcher, control center. You will just double tap and you will add the control center. You can come to home if you set like that. You can lock the screen, you can mute the phone, you can go to the notification center by double tapping, and reachability will increase, that phone gets short, this screen size becomes shorter to access the menus by double tap. You can enable all these. You can enable even screenshot. I have enabled this by triple tap, it's your choice. And Siri, I have enabled Siri, so it is on. You can also enable volume up, volume down, right? So all these features you can enable by your double tap. Okay. And in the triple tap, again, second, all these features. So 2 of the features you can enable by your, these are available for you. You can even create shortcuts like triple tap on the back, you will call your mom. So calling accessibility is also there. So anything which you want from these features just by touch. सिर्फ एक टच बैक टैप की हेल्प से you can have these features. It is very convenient and I bet most of you don't know about this feature, back tap feature. So hope you liked it. Hit like and share this information to the Apple lovers. Thank you very much. And if you are new, so please subscribe and hit like.